Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Today we're talking about flat packs. Well, flat packs, what are they? It is a pre-assembled furniture pack that has it all laid out in one box and ready for you to build at home or at your office, wherever you choose to do so. Today we're building a junior desk. Kids shouldn't be studying in a place where there's too much distractions, like a kitchen table, or a dining room where there's too much traffic going past. They deserve their own quiet, tranquil place so they can study. So today we're going to be putting together a junior desk, and it is fairly simple. With a couple of tools, you'll be able to do it all by yourself. So let's get started. Carefully cut open your box using your crafter's knife and put aside all the accessories within the box. These are the instructions that come in the pack. Don't throw it away. I know most of us think, who needs instructions? Tell you what, they're very important to putting together any flat pack. Carefully read through it and follow it step by step. So according to the instructions, we're going to need the following tools: a star screwdriver or a cordless screwdriver like I've got here, a rubber mallet, tape measure, wood glue, and a spirit level. So carefully lay out all the pieces, screw in the relevant screws. Careful not to over tighten the screws. Don't use too much force while putting it in place. And then screw in your feet. Turn the desk upright. Lay the tabletop on it, carefully using a rubber mallet. Screw in the backing plate. And now time to put in the drawer runners. Put on the drawer handle. Carefully lay your shelf in place. And there you have it. The flat pack junior desk is all done and ready to be used. For more flat pack ideas, get onto our Builders website. It is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.